You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is r equals 1 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2r from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 over 3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over negative 4. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is r equals 1 over 4.